And this is
So
what we
like,
discussed.
but I like to do the yellow
Over
eye.
time, you know, I'd go back in, I'd probably end up refining this even more and more and more, adding in more detail, getting in the underbelly, you know, of it, and, you know, all the little details, the way that the tail and everything wraps around, and where are the legs, you know, and all that stuff, so we might have some legs coming out.
Even if you look at it from a parapsychological approach or psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same phenomenon.
And you also have like this kind of fake classical